Welcome to the H1 review. These are primary sources. They are dated close to the time of the event. They are first-hand accounts like newspapers or diaries. Secondary documents are documents not dated close to the time. Documents like textbooks or biographies. They are not first-hand experiences. Artifacts. They are objects made by humans. Some examples include arrowheads, tools, pottery, and jewelry. Pottery just like this one. Ecofacts. They are nature's objects made in nature. Some examples include bones, teeth, skulls, and shells, just like this one. Prehistory. Prehistory is the history before written records were kept. Let's learn about our Paleo-Indians, our first Native American tribe. Their weapon of choice was the Clovis point. They were nomads or nomadic, roaming in search of food like large game, like bison or deer. The Archaic Indians, they are our second Native American tribe. Their weapon of choice, the Atlatl. They were semi-permanent. They didn't have to move as much for food. They made pottery, which allowed them to gather and store food. The Woodland Indians, they are our third Native American tribe. Their weapon of choice, the bow and arrow. They were semi-permanent. They started farming and realized they didn't have to move as much. They also started fishing. They showed they had religious beliefs by having earthen mounds. Mississippian Tribe. The Mississippian Indians, our last and most advanced Native American tribe. Their weapon of choice, it tended to be the bow and arrow. They did large-scale farming, permanent homes, and had chiefdom. They had a form of government. They were the first ones to encounter Europeans, Hernando de Soto to be specific. And out of all of the Native American tribes, they were our most advanced Native American tribe. Age of Discovery. Everyone was fighting over money and military power. Marco Polo searched East India for riches like spices. You guys remember this from 7th grade, the Silk Road? By now, it was blocked by Muslims. It was not safe for travel. So the only way to get to East India was by water, by going around Africa. So Spain hired Christopher Columbus to sail the ocean blue in 1492. Little did he know, he found a whole new world. So Spain claimed the new lands, claiming conquistadors or conquerors. They claimed La Florida. They thought it was an island. Spain was also the first to explore the interior of Georgia by sending Hernando de Soto to explore. England, as you see pointed by this blue line, wanted to have permanent colonies. They wanted to support mercantilism, to export more than they import. They settled in what we now call the New England area of the United States. Spain settled in Florida and Mexico areas. France, they settled in Canada and Mississippi River region, as you see here by the green line. They wanted fur trade. Spain was interested in the 3 G's, God, gold, and glory. The God part was to convert the Native Americans to the Catholic religion. The gold was seeking riches. Then the glory was to expand their empire. Because of all of this, many Native Americans were made slaves or lost their lives to diseases or Spanish weapons.